Do I have to use a base coat for polish? Simple answer, no. But why would you? I'm going to explain to you why you should use a base coat, specifically our YN base coat. First of all, it's going to give you a nice smooth application, but here's the amazing part, it's 16 free. So no harsh chemicals, but we have not sacrificed performance. It's completely vegan, and the most important to me, it's animal cruelty free. Let me explain to you what this is going to do while I show you how to use it. Before we start, I've filed, I've shaped, I've cleansed my nail plate so it's free of oil. Now we're ready for our base coat. Now the base coat, what it's gonna do is it's gonna smooth that natural nail so we have a better application of polish. If you're using darker colors, it's going to help protect it from staining. It also is going to anchor everything. This is gonna grab, this is gonna give the nail something for the polish. It's gonna grab to that nail, it's gonna grab to the polish, and it's going to make your product last longer. This is why you do not wanna skip base. Just one thin layer on all 10 nails, and my nails are now ready for polish. Is it worth skipping? Absolutely not. Remember, this is what's really gonna get that polish to last longer. After I've based my nails, I'm going to apply one coat of my favorite color, Salty Laugh. I am obsessed with this sheer mocha color. It's so beautiful. It goes with any skin tone, just giving your natural nail a beautiful, vibrant, healthy looking nail. What's the difference between a good manicure and an amazing manicure? I'm gonna tell you right now, it's a good top coat. This is what's going to give you that high shine and extra protection to that polish. It's gonna make your polish last longer. Our YN top coat is not only 16 free, and again, what does that mean? Those harsh chemicals we don't want, it ain't there. But does that affect the performance? No, we still have the high performing top coat. This formula is vegan. And then the most important to me, animal cruelty free. We're gonna get a nice amount on our brush, and we're just going to seal in that polish. Just float it over the top. Now you don't wanna wipe everything off your brush because you want it to glide, kind of float over so it doesn't look streaky. Again, this is going to give you that high shine. It's extremely fast drying, and it's gonna protect and lock in your polish. Super quick, super easy, super fast drying, not worth skipping because again, we want that polish to last a long, long time, and top coat is the way to do it.